Students, as we already covered our lesson number 1 in uh, during school classes, right? So we are starting our lesson number 2, and the question answers of lesson number 1, uh, I will send you a PDF of answer key, then you can write it from there, right? So now let's start our lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is related with MS Excel, and in MS Excel it is specifically covered some topics that is under formulas and functions. In this chapter we will cover some specific points that will be formulas in Excel, creating basic formula, using compound formula, using formula on text, cell range, cell reference and its types, cell references of another worksheet, formula error, functions, common functions, function library, managing worksheets, etc. Right? And some more important terms we will cover in this chapter. Let's start, beta. First of all, we have to know what is formula and what is function, right now. So one of the important attribute of Excel is its ability to perform calculations either using a formula or a function. In this line, the author says that Excel is very beautiful and very useful software which we have. It has a special ability to perform calculations, right? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? And many more like percentage, maximum, minimum, everything we can calculate or we can uh, extract from the data in MS Excel. Okay, beta? Then we can do all these you can say exercises with the help of formulas and functions. In this chapter we will learn the basics of formulas and functions and how they can be used in different scenarios, how we can use these formula and function in different ways according to the our requirement. We can mold them as well, not uh, only function, also formulas, right? Then first of all, what is formula? Formulas are the user defined instructions to perform calculations, whereas functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. What is the basic difference between formula and function? Look better. Formulas formulas we can design according to our requirement, no problem at all. Suppose you want to add three type of data, and after that you want to divide it with a specific value, then you can do it, no problem at all, no problem at all, right? This is formula. And what about functions? Functions are predefined formula, means कंप्यूटर की तरफ से ही बने हुए फॉर्मूलाज हैं. दिस इज प्री डिफाइंड, जो पहले से डिफाइंड किए गए हैं इन एक्सेल, राइट? We have to give only range into them, and according to the lesson you will understand what I want to say. Just wait. Now we are moving on formulas in Excel. What is formula? Okay, formulas in Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, etc. But it is not enough. We can do more than it with formulas, right? A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. What is cell? I told you that when uh, we also covered Excel in our previous class, that was sixth. There was also one or two lessons regarding Excel, right? So cell reference, sorry, cell and column and rows are not new for you right now. I hope you all know about it. That's why I'm using directly the word cell. So in formula, we can make some relationship between the data which is resides in the different cells. It is an expression that can include cell address, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. Now I'm giving explanation one by one according to the word. First is cell address. I told you that what is cell address. I'm switching my screen. to the Excel so that you can understand it very well. This is Excel and I am opening it. I am also enlarging the size so that you can see it very clear, like this. Suppose I am typing here, suppose 50. Then what is the address of this cell? You can see beta that C is highlighted automatically and 2 is highlighted. Then its address is C2, right? First of all, we have to define the column name, then row name, though, or row number you can say, right? So C2, or you can see it in the name box as well. जिस पे भी आप क्लिक करोगे, its address will automatically come in the name box, like this. Suppose I click on it, then what is the name box is showing? C5. अगर हम यहाँ कुछ लिख देंगे तो what will be the address of it? C5. Suppose I type here 100 and what is the cell address of it? C5. Now I am again switching the lesson. Okay, now this is the cell address. Now numbers are 0 to 9. Any value we can express in numbers. Arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? These are the calculation symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, है ना? Or for multiplication we use star. You can see in this area. Look, this is here. Look beta, plus, minus, star. Star means multiplication. Percentage, dollar sign, hash sign, right? For divide we can use slash, or for remainder we can use like you can put percentage sign, you can put dollar sign, you can put hash sign, और ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, right? So this is exponentation sign. What is exponentation sign? When you want to use powers, suppose in very first lesson, we covered our number system. In that number system, we also use some power symbol, right ना? जैसे 2 raised to power 2. ऐसे जब हमें raised to power लिखना होता है, then we use exponentation sign. This is like this sign after star. I hope you can see it very clear. Next is arithmetic operator हो गया. Next is parenthesis. What is parenthesis? Parenthesis mean brackets. In computer language, we say brackets as a parenthesis, right? Using it, you can perform simple as well as complex calculations. इनकी help से we can perform easy and difficult calculations, no problem at all. Because every complex calculation is very simple for the computer, right? A formula must begin with an equal to sign. This is very important. If we want to try any formula in Excel, we have to put equal to sign in front of it. Very first, we have to put equal to sign. After that, we can use cell addresses, right? It may contain a few or all the below mentioned elements. अभी देखो नीचे जितने भी elements दिए हुए हैं, references दिया हुआ है, operators, constants and functions. All we can use in a formula. No problem at all. Formula, right? Now elements of formula. Look, you can see. Okay, there are different. I'm going to enlarge it more. Look, students, I hope it is quite visible now to you. Look better. Cell address. What are the parts of it? Suppose I write equal to sign a plus b, sorry, a2 plus b2 multiply by 5 minus sum, bracket start यानी parenthesis start, e3 to e5 फिर bracket close. These all options you know from your last class 6th standard, right ना? So अब जो फॉर्मूला हमने यूज किया है, इस फॉर्मूला के अंदर हमने क्या क्या यूज करना है, इसको क्या क्या बोलते हैं, लेट्स नो इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन यू राइट A2, बिफोर इट we just read that we have to put equal to sign, right? We put equal to sign. यहाँ पर हमने equal to sign लिया. After that what is it, A2 और E3 और E5 और B2, what is it, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे इन सब चीज़ों को? ये हमारे सेल एड्रेस है. What is it? Cell address, right? After that, plus, multiply, minus, these are mathematical operators, right? Maths की calculation करने के लिए हम जो symbols use करते हैं बेटा, these are called mathematical operators. Then again, sum. Between this formula, we are using a function. This is sum. Then we will move on sum after it. But till now, you have to know that when we use some abbreviations like sum, add, today, or average, these are the functions. These are predefined formulas in Excel. And what is it? E3 to E5. This is range. If we want to define some specific area with the help of selection, then it is called range. तो ये बिल्कुल clear हो गया बेटा. I hope you all understand, because we have some backup of 2 lessons from previous class as well of Excel. Right now I am reducing the size of screen so that we can read clearly. Look students, now creating a basic formula. How we can create a basic formula in Excel? Now we are again shifting our screen to Excel. Look beta, I am typing here. Suppose Aman, Bhavik or Bhavika, suppose Charu or Dravit. We have 4 names and their pocket money is, first is 100, then 150, then 50 only, then 75. And if we want to make sum, make total, you can say, of pocket money of the different students, then we have to write a simple formula. And the very first rule, or you can say compulsion, is we have to put equal to sign. Here I am putting equal to sign. After that, we want to make sum of it. Then very easy, click on first value, then its address will automatically come into the cell. You can see it. Then press plus button, then again another selection. Look students, again its address comes, plus third, and same way fourth. After completion of the selection, you have to press enter key like this. Now you can see students, our total is here. Total 100, 150, 250, then 50, 300 and 75, 375. The answer is right. Then a very strange thing which you can notice here, I am showing you that in the cell you can see the total of it, but in the formula bar, just let me enlarge the size of the screen. Let me give only 2 or 3 seconds. Look students, here you can see at the upper side of the screen, in the cell address, sorry, in the formula bar, we have B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. What it means? It means even we can see the numbers in cell address, in the sheet, but in formula bar, always formula will always show the formula which we are using to calculate this number or this calculation, right beta? So I am again switching it off. Look students, in this way you can make a calculation, right beta? So it is quite easy, not very difficult. I hope you understand. I am repeating my command. Like first of all, we have to put equal to sign, then first selection, then plus, then plus, then plus, and finally, after that, we have to put enter key. In this way, we will get our calculation. Okay, students, let's move to the let's move back to the lesson. ये बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही बताया गया है जैसे मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी करा दिया है. Now compound formula. Using compound formula. What is compound formula? Compound means when we add more than two formula into one formula, or to make a new formula, you can say it. What is compound? Suppose we are using we want to calculate a simple interest in mathematics, but with the help of computer we can do it very clear or very accurate. No need to give stress on your mind if you have computer, right? So we can make a compound formula with the help of it. Let's move on. Excel sheet again. I am clearing this and for the simple interest we need some values. That is, suppose principal is 5,000 and rate of interest is 5% and time is 3 years. Now we want to calculate simple interest, SI, right? Then what is the formula of SI? Simple interest. यहाँ फॉर्मूला में लिखना चाहता हूं इक्वल टू साइन. क्या क्या होता है इसका? मैंने करना है P मल्टीप्लाई R यानी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड T और उसके बाद डिवाइड कर देना है मुझे 100 से. ये हमारा फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, अब इसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमने चलना है यहाँ पे, राइट बेटा? इसके अकॉर्डिंग हम चलेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले इक्वल टू साइन, फिर हमने क्या कर दिया, ये ले लिया B2, फिर इसको हमने क्या करना था, मल्टीप्लाई ये वाला, फिर मल्टीप्लाई टाइम और इस सारे के डिवाइड में हमने क्या कर देना है, 100 कर देना है. इस सारे के डिवाइड में हमने क्या कर देना है, इसको ब्रैकेट में ले लो और डिवाइडेड बाय 100 और एंटर प्रेस कर दो. अब इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आई है, अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, यहाँ हमने परसेंटेज साइन ऑलरेडी ले लिया है, इसको हटा दीजिए आप. जस्ट वेट. ये कितना था, 5% और ये 3 इयर्स था. ठीक है ना. अब इस फॉर्मूला को दोबारा लगाते हैं. इक्वल टू साइन प्रिंसिपल मल्टीप्लाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मल्टीप्लाई टाइम और डिवाइडेड बाय 100. ये देखिए. अब अगर आप देखिए, अगर 5,000 रुपीज इफ यू गिव टू समबडी फॉर 3 इयर्स एंड द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 5, तो अगर 1 साल का हम निकालें इसके अंदर तो हमारा कितना निकल गया, 250 रुपीज, और 3 साल का अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो कितना आ गया, 750. ठीक है ना. तो इन दिस वे यू कैन यूज कंपाउंड फॉर्मूला. तो इसमें कंपाउंड क्या हुआ, देखो यहाँ पे एक तो हमने इसको डबल क्लिक कर दोगे तो यहाँ पे भी फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा आपके, राइट. लुक स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बोथ द साइंस, both the mathematical operators. So I told you that when we use more than one operator in a single formula, it automatically becomes a compound formula, right? I hope you understand this concept. And now we are moving to another topic, that was compound formula. Now using formula on text. I hope this will be your last command for today. After that we will discuss something more important. So no need to leave meeting after it until I told you. Now using formula on text. Suppose students you want to add 2 words together, then only one calculation can possible on text. Text means alphabets, that is addition yani plus. only plus. And what is it? What is it? Look, suppose I write here द, और नेक्स्ट में मैंने लिख दिया सेंचुरी, और थर्ड के अंदर मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ इक्वल टू साइन दिस वन प्लस दिस वन। एंटर मैंने कर दिया तो देखो कुछ नहीं आया यहाँ पे, है ना, रॉन्ग दे दिया ना। तो ये रॉन्ग क्यों दिया? क्योंकि हमने क्या क्या नहीं किया यहाँ पे, हमने इन्वर्टेड कोमास यूज नहीं किया है। लुक देयर, लुक यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, प्लस नहीं करना था, हमने क्या करना है इसमें एंड साइन यूज करना है। लाइक सपोज दिस एंड अगेन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एंटर। नाउ यू कैन सी बोथ द वैल्यूज आर कम टुगेदर। सिर्फ एक ये सिर्फ एक ही इकट्ठी करने की वैल्यू यानी प्लस करने की वैल्यू वी कैन परफॉर्म ऑन इट, अदरवाइज वी कांट डू, नो नॉट इवन माइनस, मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड, नथिंग, राइट। और अगर इसमें आप स्पेस दबा देते हैं यहाँ पे तो देखो स्पेस आ गया। एक और करके देखें, स्कूल एंड इन फॉर्मूला अगेन वन एंड और स्कूल कर दें इधर, और इसको स्पेस दे देते हैं थोड़ा सा, एंटर आ गया है देखो। लुक नाउ बेटा, ये तीन अलग अलग वैल्यूज थी, ये मैंने स्पेस क्यों किया, बिकॉज वी आई वांट वन गैप बिटवीन, राइट, तभी मैंने एक यहाँ स्पेस बार लगा दिया। अगर मैं यहाँ स्पेस बार नहीं लगाऊंगा तो क्या होगा देखो, इट विल कम टुगेदर विदाउट एनी स्पेस। लुक, राइट ना। सो आई हैव टू, वी हैव टू गिव वन स्पेस if you want to click it, use it, right? So students, I am completing my today's lecture here, and you have to wait because I am going to take your attendance, otherwise your absent will mark. Till then, if you want to ask anything, you can ask regarding it, and I am going to unmute you all so that you can ask any question. Yes,